Hi everybody, welcome to week 2 of Chemistry and Society. I've just finished grading all of your week 1 work, and for the most part you guys did a really good job. It seems like you're figuring this out, and keep it up. Several of you are missing work, didn't do assignments. Again, make sure that you are keeping up with the work in the class. That's part of being in an online class. In fact, it's usually the most difficult part for students is keeping up. So remember, our academic weeks end on Sunday, so we just finished week 1, and let's take a look at what there was happening in week 1. As a reminder, you can always look at the start here for what you have due, what we're going to be doing. So in week 1, there was an optional student info, so that was just optional, but then there was a required quiz over the syllabus and my intro video. There was a discussion forum. There was a homework. Now these 3 items are now closed. I don't accept late work on that. But the lab, getting started, was due as well. I do accept late labs, and if you missed my email about the lab kits from the bookstore, if you don't have your kit, please check your student emails. Remember, you're responsible for all material, all information that is presented and shared with you in class. Now in week 2, let's see what we've got going on. We're going to be reviewing Chapter 2, which is the air we breathe. We're doing our second lab, lab safety. This one, again, this one requires a picture as well, but this one is going to be of something in your house, and that is where are you going to be performing the labs. So everyone should be able to do this, even if you don't have the kit. Again, you need to be in the HOL website, do the lab, and take a picture of where you're going to be doing the labs in your house. And we've got our first movie as well for you to watch. I'll show you that in just a second. And there you've got a summary. So if you've forgotten what that means, you can either open, let's go back to modules, open the Dropbox for it, which is where the instructions are, or review the syllabus. So there's an intro video about Chapter 2, just a couple of minutes about the chapter, PowerPoint if you prefer to review the chapter through PowerPoint. And then McGraw-Hill Connect. Again, honestly, I believe the best way to access the materials is through this button right here. Remember, we're trying this new first day program. So if this one down here in the week doesn't work, click up here to this McGraw-Hill Connect. Your movie right here. So let's look at the movie. When you first open it, it looks like this, and there's nothing really there, and your browser just spins. To open the movie and to download it, you have to do a second click. You have to click on the name, okay, and it'll take you to the movie. I have them in all different formats, all different ways throughout the class. Some, this is a browser that you can watch it through. Some are through Dropbox, all different ways, but that's always the way you access them. You click on the movie in the module, and then you click on the name right here. After you watch the movie and you've written your paper, you come back here to the Dropbox. And again, here's a summary of what needs to be in the paper. And since this is our first one, again, we'll talk through this. I did this on the syllabus as well. But in your own words, write a 1 full-page paper, double-spaced, Times New Roman font, size 12 only. That's the only font, that's the only size that will be accepted. So I don't require APA formatting or any type of text citations. Pretty simple requirement. If you're using Microsoft Word and you open up a Word document, this is the default, so just leave it as it is. You will have to double space it, but the font and everything is by default. Summarize the movie and how does it apply to our class. So you may have to review Chapter 2 before you're able to actually finish this essay. Read Chapter 2, maybe do the homework as well, or the Learn Smart module, and then write this essay. Again, if you need a Microsoft Word for writing the essay, down here, Office 365, all students have access to Word through this for free. You have access to Excel, Word, all sorts of Office products. All right, and then when you're ready, you click Submit Assignment, and it'll prompt you to upload a file. And then last but not least, let's go back to, again, our week 2. Let me close these. In fact, if yours aren't closed, you can close them as you finish them. And then last but not least, our lab, which is lab safety this week. So you're going to go back to the hands-on learning website, do lab safety, and then come back here to the Dropbox and upload the PDF that you get from the website and the picture. And again, You can do this Lab 2 without the kit. You just need to take a picture of someplace in your house. You have to be in the picture this week, and you have to hold a sign. What does the sign say? Remember, your name, the date, and the lab. With that, I leave you for the week. I hope everyone has a great week.